What's up, y'all? I am back in the craft room, and today we are making a tumbler. Today's tumbler is going to be Valentine's Day theme. I have made a few different tumblers on my channel thus far, but I really just wanted to make a nice Valentine's Day tumbler, so I think I'm gonna make a couple different ones to post on my website, because my website will be launching soon and I cannot wait. So I think I want to offer a couple different things. So to start, I am going to make a new tumbler. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, but let's get crafty. So I think in today's video, I'm not going to actually apply glitter to the top of the rim and like a piece at the bottom. I'm not 100% sure, but I don't think I want to add glitter, so we're gonna do that. Let me go and get my gloves so I can actually do what I'm supposed to do the right way. Let me wipe off that residue from the sanding right quick so we could get ready to paint. I don't really know. I think I kind of want to do like diagonal lines of, I don't know. We about to wing it real quick. We shall see. We shall see. I don't know. I decided that I actually want the top of my tumbler to be hot pink and the bottom, no, the top of the tumbler light pink and the bottom dark pink. So I'm gonna just separate that real quick. I really need to start taking out my tumbler holders and whatnot, but I am placing this right around. Good, and it meets right where it's supposed to. I said I needed to buy new paintbrushes and I never did. This has already dried, so I'm gonna go in and do another coat of that hot pink real quick. I'm not even gonna put the gloves on. I usually mix my paint with some Mod Podge so I could stick my glitter onto it now, but I'm not gonna do that this time because I actually want to do like a blended effect. I don't know what it's called, but I want the glitter to kind of overlap the two colors. So I'm gonna actually wait to start glittering until my cup is dry. And I'm gonna cheat. I'm gonna pull out my heat gun to help me dry this, because that way it'll get done quicker. I'm doing 2 layers of paint because I'm using a horrible brush. So this way the streaks will be covered up more. Or at least that's my theory. I ran and grabbed some water so I could clean off my ghetto brush because my brush is horrible, but we're about to paint with, oh, baby. I just wasted that. I can't. The things that happen to me when I turn this camera on, kid you not. I mean, these things happen too when the camera's off, obviously. But jeez. Yeah. Let me clean this brush out. So I did want to know how you guys feel about when I post my craft with me videos. They are like longer version of the video where I am doing way more talking than some people may or may not like. Some people might just want like a instructional type video. So let me know if you actually like the shorter versions when I do like a craft with me, and then I do a short version of that same video, just with more like of a instructional situation where I'm telling you how to do whatever I did in my long version of a craft with me video, because I'm thinking that's something that I want to incorporate. So let me know how you feel about that, because I don't want you to feel like you're watching double the content, like double the same thing, you know? So there could be a version where I'm actually telling you, like working with you like I'm working with you now, or there could just be a version where, you know, you are just getting the information or like the how-to of what I'm actually doing. So please, if you don't mind, drop your opinion on that in the comment section below. I want to show you this. The line is not perfect, and that's fine. So the line is not perfect, and my idea is to kind of sprinkle the glitter so that that middle section gets a little bit of both. I can't remember the term that's really used when they are blending the two colors together, but I'm going to kind of drop it so that the pink will still fall into this fuchsia color a little bit more, and vice versa, so that it's really not a harsh line in between. So that's my goal. But let me dry this piece a little. Let me tell you what colors we actually use today. This is considered light pink or rose clear, and then this one is fuchsia. So these are the two colors I am using to be exact, which I would just normally say a light pink and a dark pink. So I have some spinach glitter, and let me see if this has the color up there. It just say polyester glitter. Oh, this is considered hot pink. I'm going to use that on the dark fuchsia. And then I'm going to use another spinach glitter that's also considered light pink or rose clear. So I'm going to say the colors should blend perfectly. However, we shall see, since this is not actually considered fuchsia. It's considered hot pink, but it's the closest to it that I have. So we are going to start glittering our tumbler. Let me just... Oh, and we're using Mod Podge method. I personally like the Mod Podge method. Not a lot of people do, but it's what I prefer. So I'm just going to stick my hand up in this thing, get Mod Podge all over it, and then we're going to cascade the glitter amongst the tumbler. So I'm going to have to shut up and do this so I can actually focus. So let's get on to that. Throw some gloves on. And I need like parchment paper or something underneath so that my glitter is not just falling all over my table, because once you start working with glitter, everything is glitter. And now that I have like this section over here open, I do not need glitter all over this place. But I don't see the parchment paper, so I'm gonna grab something else. Oh, this regular paper. I still see that harsh line way more than I want it to, so I'm actually just going to mix the two glitters together and sprinkle it all in that middle section to see if I can get a better blend. That harsh line has to go, so we're gonna blend the glitters together and do another coat of glitter lightly. So let me do that. up with my heat gun. So let's do one more thin little section. To add some white swirls to it. I haven't done this in a minute, but oh, that was a lot. But kind of in the mood, so let's see. I'm gonna just do it to the bottom portion. Add the swirls, mixing a little bit of white acrylic paint into my epoxy, and I'm gonna just kind of lay it on. That dripped very ugly, but we okay. Oh, it's so stringy. I probably shouldn't have did this. I probably shouldn't have did this for real, but whatever. Maybe I'm gonna love it, so I already started it, so why not finish it? If it looks bad, I'm gonna just spray paint the whole top layer, and then we'll never even know that I did all this extra for nothing. Well, besides this video evidence. I know this noise is annoying and you probably can't hear me, so I'm gonna stop talking like this. Alright, I know what I gotta do. Add some heat. Get this moving. Because now, I don't like it. It ain't looking better, just to let you know if you cared. Yeah, I might just spray paint over all of that, because it didn't really swirl how I wanted it to. But I'm gonna let it play out and see what happens before I really give up on it. I'm leaving it. I'm leaving it. I'm leaving it. I'm not touching it no more. Do I want to put something right there? I'm leaving it. I'm leaving it. I'm leaving it. I'm not gonna touch it. I'm gonna let it dry. I'm going to cut out the vinyl. I want to put some vinyl hearts through here. Or maybe, I don't know yet, because now that I threw this white on the bottom, it kind of just isn't what I originally planned to do. I had extra epoxy and was like, ooh, I should do this. So now I'm a little stumped, but we shall see how this turned out. Come back for part 2 of this video so you can see what what actually occurs with this tumbler, because I don't really know anymore. I don't know. So I'll see you in the next video upload, which will be part 2 of this tumbler, where I will be finishing it off. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video.